Welcome. In today's video, I would like to take you along with me as I get my front porch ready for fall. I live in Central Florida, so it doesn't feel much like fall, but I'm going to take this as an opportunity to clean, reorganize, and hopefully bring a little fall to our home. So, come along with me as I work on this project. The porch is long and narrow, so that presents some challenges, but I think I'm going to section it off and do a couple little different areas with decorations. Most of the things I used in this video I either made, thrifted, or upcycled. But before the fun can begin, I need to clean. So I'm moving all the furniture out, gonna blow it off, and then wash it down. I have these two concrete planters that I set beside my door and just change it out with the seasons. So now it's time for my spider plant to find a different home, and I'm going to put some bright yellow mums in its place. At one end of the porch, I took an old side table and turned it into a potting bench. I cut shutters in half and used them as a backboard, but also in the corner took two more shutters and made a nice corner cabinet so that I could display. Each year I bring out my little scarecrow. I made it from pallet wood. One side's a scarecrow, the other side is a snowman. It was one of my first videos. If you would like to see how I did it, I'll leave a link below. This little bench is made out of a headboard that I found free on the side of the road. The welcome sign is just an old cabinet door, and the pumpkins are from Goodwill that were orange and that I spray painted. I found these two throw pillows at the dollar store and thought they would be a good addition to the front porch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to do an upcycle project of your own.